Hey everyone, I want to do a quick little share or a project, if you will, using some Temu products. If you guys have never downloaded the Temu app, I will have the links to everything down below. Make sure you guys, if you are a new user, if you've never downloaded the app, do that and use my code. It will be listed down below and you will receive, I believe it's $100 worth of free items. It might be a little higher because of the holidays, so just check the description box down below. And then you'll also receive 30% off your entire purchase, okay? Temu has tons of items, you guys. This is a crafty channel, so I usually show a lot of craft-related items, but you can definitely find houseware on there, cookware, beauty products, clothing, shoes, like stuff for kids. Anything you could think of, you can find. Electronics, all kinds of things on Temu, all right? So check them out, guys. Use my code. Even if you already shop with Temu, put my code, hit the search bar, and you can find a lot of the items that I have picked out for you guys. And those are typically items that, I've hauled in the past. All right, so let me show you guys. These are from previous orders. I think this is from my latest order. Look at all this trim on here, guys. It is a beautiful, gorgeous gold snowflake foiled trim. Isn't it beautiful? Gorgeous. And then this is from another previous order. This is the white snowflake. I have so many other snowflake trims in my cart. So beautiful, perfect for your Christmas projects. And then I'm also going to be showcasing these. You get a huge pack of these, and on the back they have like this canvas type of material, and you could just glue them to all types of things. I originally got this so that I can put them on the center of bows. So like I have a bow here. I thought that this would look so cute. This one's a little big for this one, but you guys get the idea, right? Like with the bigger one. Let me see if I have a bigger snowflake, a bigger bow. I mean, no, that's the biggest one I have right now, but you guys get the idea. Those are really cute, and so I wanted to create these little tags. Look at how cute they are. And I just used that trim, and I also added a little piece of this. Oh, I can't think of what it's called. Tinsel trim. I can't think. I'm pretty sure they have this on Temu as well. I had some scraps laying around, and I did use the most of it that I found on my bows for the center to give it all this texture. But I thought it would be cute to add with this, guys. So even if you don't have this, let me staple this again because it just came. Let me just glue it. Even if you don't have this trim, you guys can use so many other trims. Just bust into your stash. But look at how cute this makes this tag. I thought that it came out really adorable. So, and then also this little pink stapler. It's a mini stapler that I got from Temu. It's from my latest haul. I'll link that video. I also have a what is it called? A playlist listed down below, so you guys can check out all my Temu videos, okay? So whatever products you're looking for, the products will be in the description box of that video, and there's tons of stuff. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna just grab one of these cut aparts from my paper. Let's do the cookies for Santa. It looks like it's all just one. I can't tell. All right, so let's grab some scissors. And I think I'm gonna substitute my pom-pom trim since I don't have any more of that tinsel one by me. So a lot of these collections have these cut aparts, and you guys can just dress these up with your fun trims. This is not straight. Oh God, I'm so terrible at cutting a straight line, guys. Use your paper trimmers. But just grab a bunch of your trims, guys. I know you guys have a ton. Especially if you watch me, I know you have a ton. So here goes some white pom-pom trim. We'll use that instead, I guess. And then we're just going to simply grab some of this. I think that 3 snowflakes is perfect. Perfect size. Look at how pretty that is already. And then let's grab some of this gold one. I feel like I'm not in frame. So 3. Snip. And then just a little bit of this pom-pom trim. About the same length. Or you can use what is that called? Seam binding will look pretty. We can use some ribbon. Guys, I have tons of ribbon from Temu, okay? Tons. Maybe we'll use this one instead of the pom-pom trim. We'll see how it looks. And then we got our little puff. So let's go ahead and arrange this how we want it. I'm thinking about leaving that out. I'm just gonna arrange it like that, I guess. Let's put this on the back part, actually. So I'm gonna layer it like that. And then these two on top. Yeah, I think I like that. I think I like that better. And I'm just gonna put that behind here. And then we're gonna cut this really pretty and just go ahead and staple this. Make sure you got them all under there and give it a good staple. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let me do one more. We're gonna cover the staple up anyways. It's just really to attach it. So let's do it backwards. Yeah. So we can really get it on there. And then let's cut this pretty. Whenever you're using satin ribbon, really any ribbon, you want to get a lighter and light that so it doesn't fray on you. Okay. There we go. And then I'm just gonna simply take a little, I kind of want to add the pom-pom trim, guys. I don't like the way that looks. Let me see. Let's give it a little bulky. Let's just go with that, okay? And then we're just gonna take our hot glue, and it's mainly to cover up the staple. Stick that there, and look at how cute that is, okay? And then I have a Happy Crafter Shop folio, accordion folds type of folio that I did. And I have like a little tuck here, a little belly band. And this is where I originally wanted to share tags. So this one's a little wide. This is the one that I did. So didn't these come out so cute, guys? So just trying to give you guys some inspiration on what to do with some of these items that we're grabbing from Temu. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this little idea and project. And I'll catch you guys in the next video, okay? Bye.